What's up guys, Derek Johnson from Legendary Leads. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a community style SMS list, just like Gary Vee, one of the top influencers across social media. And you can do this in less than 20 minutes using the Legendary Leads app. So let's dive right in. So from the dashboard, there's a couple things you need to do. One of those things is create a tag you want to use for your SMS community. And you can do that in settings. So go to settings and tags. And you can create a tag right here. You can see I just created one called SMS Community. Once that's set up, you can also optionally create a pipeline if you want to add people to a pipeline. So I also created one of those. You can see the only stages I have are lead in and community members. So that'll make more sense as we get into it. And then we're going to go into workflows, which basically create our automations. And we're going to create two separate workflows. One is going to be SMS Community List. The trigger will be whenever a customer replies. So customer replied will be our trigger. Then we're going to add a filter here. And the filter will be reply channel SMS. And we'll filter down even more to a specific phone number. And we'll use, in this case, the Try Johnson number. So once that's set up, the next thing we want to do is some actions. So we're going to add a contact tag. The tag will be SMS Community. We're going to create an opportunity, which will add them to that pipeline at the lead-in stage. And we're going to send this text message. So this is my message. Hey, what's up? This is Derek from Legendary Leads. Real quick, click this link and let me know your name so I can respond back to you directly. Can't wait to hear from you. And then I say, enter your name, give them the link, and say, P.S., you're a legend. So once that's done, we can hit save here. Make sure this is published, save it. In settings, toggle this stop on response. So we only want this to run the very first time someone sends us a text message, and that will trigger this automation once and then never again. So hopefully that makes sense for this workflow. Now we're going to go back to our other one for our form fill. And this is actually when someone submits that form that we sent, it's going to send this follow-up text message. So it says, boom, you've been added to my VIP list. All that's left is to soak up the legendary value coming your way. Message frequency will vary. Message and data rates may apply. Reply help for help, stop to cancel. So just FYI, this is 100% the way to do it if you want to be in compliance. And I'll show you the form and some of the verbiage you can use on your opt-in form that you send after this. But then the next step, I'm just moving them over from the lead-in stage to now they're a community member because they filled out the form, which was their opt-in permission for me to send promotional messages. Then I have a wait step and just a text message here, sending them to my Facebook group. You can continue a drip campaign down here. And if you want, I'll show you also where to send one-off messages to your community list at any time. So make sure this is published, hit save. In settings, we're going to leave these toggled off because we don't want to stop this on response. We want our drip campaign to continue as long as we create it. So you could wait, once a month, you could have a guaranteed drip or once every 2 weeks. And then you could send some one-off messages as well, which I'll show you how to do that. So that's it for workflows. Let's go to the form builder just so you can see that. It's a pretty simple part, but also important. So we'll go to form builder here. And I created a form just called SMS Community. All it is a name and a best phone number. So even though they texted in, I asked for that, and that's part of the compliance. So let's show you on a funnel how we integrated this form and how that works. So once you've got your form set up, you can actually go to funnels and create a funnel here. So SMS Community, this is my funnel. And here's a preview of this, how this looks. So it says, you legend, enter your name, best number, and then I have my compliant text below this. Submit this form to join the Legendary Leads VIP Text Club. You agree to receive automated promotional messages. This agreement isn't conditional of any purchase. Terms and privacy policy can be found at Terms link. You may receive up to 4 messages a month. Reply stop to end or help for help. So these keywords automatically work out of the box. It's just built into Twilio, so you don't even have to worry about those. Those are already taken care of. And once somebody submits the form, it's going to take them to this thank you page. This can kind of be whatever you want. I just did this super simple for this demo. People can then text demo to this number and get into that sequence. they can also click the image and go to the site and sign up for Legendary Leads. So that's up to you what you want to do on your thank you page there. Now, let's go to contacts, and I'll show you the power of a smart list. So once people have signed up, you're going to create a filter here, and it's going to be for this tag only. So when you create a filter from your contacts list, you can save the filter and give it a name here. Then anytime in the future when someone matches those filters, they're automatically added to this list. So this is going to be where your list lives. Whenever you want to send a one-off text blast to your list, you can just select this and hit send SMS. It's going to give you some options here. You can send them all at once. You can start these at a scheduled time, or you can drip them out over time. So check out the options you have inside here. Once you're all done with those, you have your SMS community foundation built, and now it's just about adding value, creating content, sending it to your list, and hopefully over time driving people to convert into subscribers, sales, getting more deals, whatever your process is. So hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions about how to build a community style SMS list using Legendary Leads, let me know and I will get you some more info about that. Appreciate you guys, and I'll check you on the next video.